Welcome back, YouTubers. Today I'm showing you a quick tip. We're still working on our fireplace and we're still mudding. We're building up our tape coats, but I just wanted to show you a quick tip how to deal with screw heads. If we look at our project that we've taped in our corners, inside and outside corners, and our join there, and you'll see that there's some screws exposed. We're going to be putting an L trim around this fireplace, so that's for another video. And we're also going to put a mantle, so it's going to cover these screws. There's also going to be a big screen TV, but we need to hide these screws here. Now they obviously don't get tape, but I'm going to show you how we go about mudding. So instead of doing each screw like this, and then that'll shrink back and we'll have to build it up, and that'll shrink back and we still have to hit this 2 or 3 times to build up the mud. What I'm saying is, if you do it individually, you have to sand each one off individually, and they may or may not come smooth, they may or may not show a bump there, but this is how we go about mudding our screws. Just take our knife and you just spread it across like that, and then you just take it in 1 or 2 passes. That's it, and we just leave it. And then when we do our second coat, we'll do the same thing again. We'll build that up, and we'll just take it all off. And then we'll let that dry, and then we'll do our third coat. And then when we're ready to sand, what we do is we sand across this entire area. And basically there won't be very much mud to speak of. But when it dries, you'll see like a big submarine type shape here. And so you just sand this outside edge and you just feather it, and all these screws will be filled in, and you'll have this whole area filled in instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different little blobs that may or may not get sanded out evenly. And that way you'll get a nice smooth, big area get sanded out, and it'll appear really smooth.